Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Day 6 Even of Day Where the Sea Sleeps inspired design. Start off by painting your index and middle nails black, your ring and pinky nails mint, and your thumbnail white. On the index nail, use white, red, pink, and blue to make planets and stars. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the middle nail, use red to make the outline of a spaceship. Fill the ship in with red and trace around the engine with black. Add the scope above the body of the ship with red, and then use white to add a cap to the scope, the front and back of the ship, and a jet stream behind the ship. Use black to make a circular window near the front of the ship, and then keep using black to add details to the body. Fill the white parts of the ship in with teal. Make a white ring inside of the black circle and fill that in with teal as well. Outline the jet stream behind the ship with blue. Use pink and white to add planets and stars around the ship. Sealing your design with a top coat. The method for the ring and pinky nails is the same. Use a couple different shades of greenish blue to make wavy bands of color across the nail. Add a couple of light blue lines not following the waves. Use white to make the outlines of two circles and then fill them in with sheer white. Add a highlight with opaque white. Next, use a dark greenish-gray polish to paint some vegetation at the bottom of the nail, and then use black to make some more plants in front of them. Finish it off by adding some stars with white. Sealing your design with a top coat. Apply a liquid latex barrier around your thumbnail and then make a pink and teal gradient on a makeup sponge. Dab the polish onto the nail and repeat until it's opaque. Remove the liquid latex. Using white paint or polish, make a circle in the middle of the nail. Outline the circle with black, and then make another thin black circle inside of the first one. Add a crescent of shading to the top of the inner line and to the bottom of the outer one. Using black, make the outline of the My Day logo and add a shadow underneath. Make compass ticks around the inner circle with black. Use teal and mint polishes to fill in the sections of the logo and then correct the lines with black.
Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!